2018 Volvo XC60. Catching up to the segment's best by going its own way. Volvo's model line update proceeds with an all-new and completely modernized reduced hybrid for 2018, the XC60. More snazzy, more effective, more lavish, roomier, and preferable prepared over the model it replaces, the XC60 is presently much more aggressive. And attention on security is a given with the Volvo name appended, and highlights, for example, computerized crisis braking and path keeping help are standard. Further developed tech, including the semi-self-sufficient driving mode, is discretionary. Hardly any purchasers will have grievances about the XC60's driving elements, as long as they aren't expecting through-and-through energy, and the ecologically cognizant among them will be satisfied with its fuel proficiency and accessible modular half-breed powertrain. What's new for 2018? Volvo's smaller hybrid is all new for 2018 and gets vigorously from the bigger XC90 for its mechanicals, innovation, and Scandinavian present-day outline. The new XC60 is highly enhanced and entirely contemporized in examination with the 2017 model it replaces, and it discovers its place in the lineup over the littler and correspondingly new XC40. Trims and options we choose. Typically the best level trim level is too expensive to speak to a decentish team, however not with the XC60. Our pick of the range is the Inscription trim with the T6 powertrain, which conveys a cost of $49,695, a $7,200 upcharge versus the base T5 Momentum. For that additional coin, you'll appreciate the 316 horsepower yield of the T6's turbocharged and supercharged 2.0-liter 4-chamber, and Volvo luxes things up with highlights, for example, 4-zone programmed atmosphere control, navigation and a bigger 12.3-inch check show, keyless passage and a sans hands liftgate, 20-inch dual-cut aluminum wheels, gorgeous driftwood and sized trim. We'd likewise propose the $2,000 convenience bundle, which includes Volvo's semi-self-sufficient driving innovation with versatile journey control, warmed windshield wipers, a collapsing back seat, collapsing back headrests, an additional 12-volt electrical plug in the load zone, control tie locks for the entryways, and an incorporated carport entryway opener. As prepared, our XC60 moves for $51,695. Thanks for watching.